Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this short video, I'm going to show how to create this simple blur vignette in HitFilm. So I have this video of a girl with some very pretty eyes, and I want to draw the viewer's attention to her eyes as she looks at the camera. I'll start by creating a new composite shot with the video by dragging it to here. Then I'll create a new grade layer by clicking here and selecting grade. I want to use an elliptical mask to highlight her eyes, so I will click on the mask tool and hold until I get a drop down of my choices. Then I'll choose ellipse mask. Now I will drag the elliptical mask across the grade layer, being careful to highlight her eyes properly. Now I can add the blur. Under the Effects tab, find the Blurs folder. Select whatever blur you feel would work best. In this video, I'll choose the basic blur and drag it to the grade layer. Now if I increase the radius, you can see that the blur is actually covering her eyes, so I will invert the mask by clicking here. I will now take the blur radius back down to something a little more subtle. Now, opening up the mask properties, I can increase the feather strength until I have the desired look. That's it! See how easy it is to create a blurred vignette in HitFilm. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.